Google Pixel camera app now lets you manually activate astrophotography mode. Google has finally introduced a much-awaited feature to its Pixel camera app, manual activation of astrophotography mode. This intriguing update allows users to capture stunning images of the night sky with ease. Astrophotography mode is a feature that enables users to take breathtaking photos of the night sky, the stars, and celestial bodies. It was first introduced in Google Pixel phones, setting a new standard for mobile photography. The latest version of the Pixel camera app now allows users to activate astrophotography mode manually via the night sight duration slider. This means you no longer have to rely on the app to trigger astro mode automatically when the viewfinder is dark enough. Here's how to activate astrophotography mode. First, launch the Pixel camera app and swipe to night sight mode. Now tap the duration icon and adjust the slider from auto to astro located to the right side of max. You'll have a 5-second timer by default before astro mode starts capturing exposures. You can adjust the timer to 3 seconds or 10 seconds, or even disable it by visiting the night sight setting page. The traditional method of activating astro mode is still available. You just have to launch night sight mode, place your phone on a stable surface or tripod, and wait for the shutter button to display a star icon.